Hello. Hello. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening. Is this Tom or is this Kian? Hello. Are you there? Oh, it's Tom. Hello, Tom. Good evening. Good evening. Wow. Good evening. I think your microphone is off. Teacher can't hear you. Good evening, Tom. Good evening. Good evening. How are you today? Good evening. Can you hear teacher? Hello? Hello. Oh, okay, I can hear you now. Oh, your microphone is off again. Oh no. Teacher can't hear you. I think your microphone is off.
Tắt tiếng.
Hello. Hello. Oh, I can hear you now. Good evening, Tom. Good evening. It's nice to see you again. Wow. How are you today? How are you today? You're happy? Are you sure you're happy? Sure? 100% happy?
Set.
Yes, okay, that's very good. And before we start our lesson, did you already eat your dinner? Did you already eat your dinner? Eat. Huh?
Z.
Yes, okay. Yes, very good. So I think you have the energy to start our lesson for today. So let's start our new lesson for today. So it is everybody up to which is we have here unit 1. So let's read this one. How we feel. How we Hello? Okay, so let's read. How we feel. Oh, hello? Hello, are you there?
Hello,
Hello?
teacher.
Oh, hello. Okay, hello again. Okay, so now let's read our unit 1. Let's say, how we feel. How we feel. How?
How we feel.
Okay, very good. So, we have here our first lesson, which is all about feelings. Feelings. Let's say, feelings. Feelings. Okay, very good. So, Tom, when we say feelings, so it is the way our heart and mind tell us what or how we are inside. So, when we say feelings, it us it shows us if we are happy, if we are sad, if we are angry, if we are scared, or if we are excited. So that is our feelings. So now, since you told teacher that you are happy, so you are feeling happy today. So that is what you feel. That is your feelings right now. So when you say feelings, it is what we feel. It shows us if we are happy, we are sad, we are angry, scared, or excited. Okay, so now let's talk about more about these feelings that we have as a human. Okay, let's have here some words. Let's learn here some words connected to feelings. Okay, let me just play the first audio.
Page 4. Unit
Can you
1.
hear the sound?
How we feel. Lesson 1.
Can you hear the sound?
Feelings. A. Listen, point, and say.
Can you hear the sound? Yes or no?
1,
Happy.
Can you hear the sound?
Happy.
Oh yes. Okay.
2,
But first, can you hear the sound? Yes. Can you hear? Yes or no?
Lesson 1.
Can you hear?
Feelings.
Con nghe tiếng không?
A. Listen,
Z.
point, and say.
Okay.
1,
Happy.
Oh, hi Ken.
2,
Sad.
Happy.
3,
Hot.
Sad. Hot.
4,
Cold.
5,
Cold.
Hungry.
Oh, hello
Oh.
Ken.
6.
Thirsty.
Okay, so that are our words for today. Hello Ken. Good evening. Good evening Ken. Good evening. How are you today, Ken? How are you today, Ken? Are you happy today? No?
Yes.
Yes, okay.
Yes.
Okay, so for today, so we will just continue our lesson last Friday. Is it last Friday? Happy, very good. So now let's read the words that we have here, Tom and Ken. Let's first read happy.
Happy.
Happy. Okay,
Happy.
very good. Next, sad.
Sad. Sad.
Next is hot. Okay, perfect. Next is
Go.
cold. Very good. Next is
Hungry.
okay, very good, both of you. Next is
Thirsty.
thirsty. Wow, very good, very energetic, Ken. Okay, so let's learn more about of these words that we have. Okay, let's move on to our next page here. It's not moving. Okay. Okay, so our first feeling, happy. Very good. So Tom and yes, happy. Very good, Tom. Very good, Ken. So when we say happy, Tom and Ken, so we are happy if we smile and feel good. Yes, like that. So we smile. We are happy. That is how we show the feelings happy. For example, I am happy when I play with my friends. So I'm happy when I play with my friends. How about Tom and Ken? Are you happy when you play with your friends?
Yay!
Yes. Okay, very good. So let's say yes. I'm happy when I play with my
He says happy.
okay, let's say yes. I'm happy
Yes, I happy.
when I play when I play
Yes.
with my friends.
Rest my brain.
Friends.
Friend.
Okay, nice job. Very good, Tom and Kian. So that is how we show that we are happy, we smile, and we feel good. Okay?
With me.
With my
With my friends. Okay, so next, let's move on to our next feeling. Oh, Tom and Ken, what is the next feeling? What is the next feeling? It's what is the next feeling that we have? It's sad. Let's say sad. Sad, sad, sad.
Sad, sad, sad.
Okay, very good. So Tom and Ken, when we say sad, it is how we feel when we cry or feel bad. So when we cry, so we are sad. For example, I am sad because I lost my toy. So Tom and Ken, do you feel sad when you lost your toy or lose your toy? Do you feel sad when you lose your toy?
Bạn có cảm thấy buồn khi bị mất đồ chơi không?
Yes.
Yes, okay, let's say. Yes, I feel sad.
Bà lấy kẹo ra kia. Lấy kẹo kia ra.
Okay, I feel sad. So we feel sad when we cry. We feel sad when we feel bad. So that is how we show this feeling. So now let's take a look at the video here. What animal is this? Tom and Ken.
Cat. Cat.
Huh? Is it a cat? Are you sure?
Yes.
Is it a cat? No,
Yes.
it's not the cat. It's a bat. So it is one of the characters, or it is one of the characters in Hotel Transylvania. This one. Let me show it to you. Hotel Transylvania bat. Okay, this one. It's a bat. Look, Tom and Ken. So it's a bat, not a cat. So it is a character in Hotel Transylvania. So he is the father of the vampire. So next, let's move on to our next. Oh, before we move on to the next feeling, Tom and Ken, are you sad today? Yes or no?
Yes.
Huh?
No, 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 no.
No, 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 I'm not sad.
No, I'm not sad.
I'm happy.
I'm happy.
Okay, very good. Good job. So next, let's move on to our next feeling. This one. Okay. Oh, what is this feeling?
Hot.
Okay, very good. Very good, Tom and Ken. Hot. So when we say the feeling hot, it is what we feel when our body feels warm, especially in summer. So it is, or I feel hot.
Anh Dương này.
It's the summer. So like today. So I think it's summer in Vietnam today. So it is very hot because the sun is really alive. So it is hot. So that is what we feel in the summer. So now, Tom and Ken, are you hot today? Yes or no?
No.
No. So let's say no. I'm not.
Thế nên là cứ
No. I'm not.
No, I'm not. No.
Okay, very good. Nice. How about Tom? Are you hot today or are you hot today, Tom? Yes or no?
Yeah. Yes.
Hot today?
No.
Are you
No.
No. How about Tom? Tom,
Hôm nay anh thấy nóng à, Tom?
are you hot today? Yes or no? Oh, Tom is okay. So let's continue the lesson. Next, let's move on to our next feeling. What is this feeling?
Go.
Okay, very good. Nice, Ken. So our next feeling is cold. So when we say cold, cold is the feeling when our body feels chilly. We feel cold when it is winter season because this season is very cold. So we feel cold. So this feeling is what we can feel, especially in Christmas or winter season, or especially when it is raining. So we feel cold when it is
No!
no, yes. So you don't feel cold right now because it's summer. It's very hot. So we feel cold. Or I feel cold when it rains. Okay, right now. Are you cold today? Are you cold today?
No!
No. Let's say no, I'm not.
No, I'm not.
Very good. Good job. So next, let's move on to our next feeling. This one. What is that?
Hungry.
Hungry. Very good. Very good, Ken. So our next feeling is hungry. So when we say hungry, this feeling is what we feel when our tummy wants food. So if we are hungry, so we need food. We will eat.
No.
No. Why no?
One.
Ken, are you hungry today? Ken, are you hungry today, Ken?
Hôm nay bạn có đói không?
No.
No. Wow, that's good because I think you already eat your dinner. So no, we are not. Or no, I'm not. Let's say no, I'm
No.
not.
No, I'm not.
Okay, very good. So we just feel this feeling when our body needs food. So we will eat if we are hungry. Oh, okay. Hello again, Tom. Okay, Tom. Teacher has a question for you. Are you hungry today, Tom?
Hôm nay bạn có đói không?
Yes or no?
No.
This is for Tom. No. Okay. No also. So let's say no, I'm not. No, I'm not. Let's say no.
No, I'm not.
Okay, very good. Very good. So next. Next feeling. Let's go to the next page. What is the next feeling? Oh, it's still early. Why are you saying goodbye? Okay, so next. What is our next feeling?
Thirsty.
Okay, one more time. Let's say thirsty. Thirsty.
Thirsty.
Very good. So when we say thirsty, so it is what we feel when our body needs or wants water.
No.
No. Okay, for example, I am thirsty after I played. So that is thirsty. So we need to drink water. If we feel this feeling, so we need to drink water because we are thirsty. So now, Tom and Ken, are you thirsty today? Are you thirsty today, Tom and Ken?
Hôm nay bạn có khát không?
No.
Okay, very good. No. So make sure to always drink your water so you don't feel thirsty. Okay? Okay, so next. Okay. Oh, so let's have again this story. So let's listen to number
Page
1.
4. B. Listen and number. 1,
Good job. Thanks. I'm happy.
Okay,
2,
one more time.
Good job. Thanks. I'm happy.
Okay, for this one, Ken and Tom, what is the feeling that we have?
And good job and happy.
What is the feeling? It's
Is thank you. And
thank you.
I'm happy.
Okay, very good. So the feeling that we have for number one is happy. So good job. So thanks. I'm happy. So the boy is happy.
Thank you. I'm happy.
Okay, very good. Nice job. So we have here the feeling happy. So let's take a look at this boy. So Tom, is this boy happy or sad? Very good. So let's say he's happy.
Happy.
Okay, very good. So nice. Let's listen to number two.
I'm cold. My hands are cold. I'm not cold. I'm hot.
Okay, one more time.
2,
I'm cold. My hands are cold. I'm not cold. I'm hot.
Okay, for our number two, Ken and Tom, what is our feeling?
I'm cold. I'm cold.
Okay, very good. Brr, I'm cold. And this one, is this boy cold?
No.
Yes or no? Is this boy
No.
cold? Huh? No? Are you sure?
No.
No?
No.
Cậu bé này có bị lạnh không?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, very good, Tom. So this boy is cold because as what you can see, the boy is like this. So the boy is cold. Okay, how about this girl? Is this girl cold or hot?
Hot.
Okay, very good. Okay, very good. So this girl is hot because what we can see, so the girl is sweating. It sweats all over its face. So, meaning the girl feels hot. So what so what is our feeling in number two? Tom and Ken. Hot and hot and
Hot and cold.
okay, very good. So
Slow.
hot and slow. This one. Hot and
And cold.
okay, very good, Tom. So hot and cold. Very good to the both of you. So next, let's listen to number three.
3,
Water, please, Mom. I'm thirsty.
Here you are.
Thank you.
Okay, one more time.
3,
Water, please, Mom. I'm thirsty.
Here you are.
Thank you.
Okay, so what is the girl?
Mommy, I'm just thank you.
Oh, wow, very
Mommy.
good. So very good.
Thirsty.
Very good. So the girl is feeling thirsty. And Tom and Ken, what do we need when we are thirsty? We need, what do we need? What is this? What do we need? We need to, yes, we can drink juice. Very good. How about this one in the picture? What is this? Very good. So, if we are thirsty, we need to drink water. We can also drink juice. So, very good. So, nice. How about you, Tom? You, Tom, what do you drink when you are thirsty, Tom?
Bạn uống gì khi khát? Bạn uống gì khi khát?
What do you think?
Juice.
Juice. Coca. Coca-Cola?
Watermelon juice.
Soda? Wow. Coca-Cola? What Coca? Coca-Cola?
Red.
Huh? Yes?
Watermelon juice.
Yes, watermelon juice. Coca-Cola. Okay, very good. So that are the things that we drink when we are thirsty. So very good. So now, let's listen to number 4.
4,
Pizza. I'm hungry.
5,
Pizza. I'm hungry.
Wow, very good. So what is the girl?
I'm hungry.
Okay, very good. What is the girl feeling, Tom and Ken?
Pizza.
Pizza? What is the girl feeling? She is
Hungry.
very good. She is hungry. And what will she eat? She will eat.
Pizza.
Okay, very good. She will eat
Pizza.
pizza. Very good. Now, Tom and Ken, what
Bài tập 1A7.
what do you drink when you are hungry?
Bạn ăn gì khi đói?
What do you eat?
Watermelon.
Oh, watermelon? You eat watermelon when you're hungry?
No.
Oh, it's for Ken. How about Tom? What do you eat, Tom, when you are hungry? Oh, pizza? Okay,
Yes.
one more. Okay, very good. So one more time, let's say pizza, not pizza. Pizza.
Pizza.
Pizza.
Pizza.
Okay, very good. Nice job. So now let's listen to the last number that we have, which is number 5.
4,
4, 5.
5,
Oh no, my ice cream. I'm sad.
5,
Oh no. My
My
ice
ice
cream.
cream.
I'm sad.
Sad.
Wow, very good. So now, what is the feeling that we have? In number 5, it is
I
I'm
ice cream.
ice cream.
Ice cream.
Yes,
Oh no. I'm sad.
I'm sad. Very good. So the boy is feeling sad because he dropped his
Yes.
what is the food or what is
Anh
the food
Dương.
that he
Ice cream.
very good. It's ice cream. So now, Tom and Ken, what makes you sad?
Điều gì khiến bạn buồn?
What makes you sad?
Mất đồ chơi.
English only. Do you feel
Mất đồ chơi.
the joy? You feel sad when you
Đồ
lose?
chơi có nào đâu. Có đồ chơi
Do
mua
you
lại
feel
mà.
sad when you lose your toy?
Bạn có cảm thấy buồn khi bị mất đồ chơi không?
Yeah.
Yes, okay, very good. So now let's say I feel sad. Let's say Tom and Ken, let's say I feel sad.
No.
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 Let's say the sentence. I feel sad when I lose my toy. I feel
Yes.
yes, let's say the sentence.
No.
No. Why yes or no? Let's say the sentence. I feel hello.
Không nghe rõ.
Let's say
Không nghe rõ.
let's say the sentence. Why are we let's practice
Không
your
nghe rõ.
speaking skills.
Giả sử câu đó.
Let's practice
Không
your
nghe rõ.
Huh? Let's practice your speaking skills. So that
Hãy cùng luyện tập kỹ năng nói của bạn.
practice. Let's practice.
Yeah.
Okay, let's say, I feel sad. I feel sad. Why are you not talking?
Hi.
Let's say, I
Ba.
feel,
Hi.
I feel
Sad. Ba.
sad when
Sad.
I lose.
I'm sad. Happy. Oh.
Okay, you two are not listening to teacher, huh? Let's say I feel sad. Okay.
Oh no, my ice cream.
Okay, so next, let's read the sentence that we have here. Let's say, I'm happy.
I happy.
I'm not sad.
I'm not sad.
I'm
I am.
very good. So now let's study this word or this sentence.
I am.
Very good. So when we say I'm happy, so this
I
sentence,
happy.
yes. So when we say I'm happy, this sentence show what you feel right now. So like what you have said earlier, Ken and Tom, you said that you are happy. So we will say I'm
I
happy.
happy.
Let's say I'm
I.
not I. S- I'm
I'm.
very good. Yes, so include the M sound. I'm happy.
I happy.
I'm not sad.
I'm not sad.
Okay, very good. So practice including the M sound when you are saying I'm, not I. I'm. Okay. So now let's have a question here. Let's have sentences here. Let's practice this one.
Happy.
C.
Okay, listen first. Listen.
and say. Then practice.
I'm happy. I'm not sad.
I'm happy.
I am.
1,
I'm happy. I'm not sad. I'm happy.
2,
I'm sad. I'm not.
I'm sad.
3,
I'm hot. I'm not cold.
4,
I'm cold. I'm not hot.
5,
I'm hungry. I'm not.
I'm hungry.
6,
I'm thirsty. I'm not hungry.
Oh, very good. Okay, so now let's practice. Let's practice the
I'm
sentence.
happy. I'm not sad.
Okay, wow. Very
I'm
good.
sad. I'm not hungry.
I'm not.
I'm not sad. I'm happy. I'm happy.
Huh? How about this one? What is the girl feeling? I'm
Hi.
hot. I'm not.
I'm not. I'm not.
I'm not what? I'm not.
I'm not cold.
Very good. Next. I'm
Cold. I'm cold.
I'm not.
I'm not cold.
Huh? This
I'm
one.
not hot.
Very good.
I'm cold.
Okay, next, number 5.
I'm hungry.
I'm hungry. I'm not.
Yeah.
I'm not.
I'm not hungry.
Huh? I'm not hungry. No. What is the opposite of hungry? It's
It
thirsty.
is dusty.
Okay, let's say I'm hungry.
I'm hungry.
I'm not.
I'm not dusty.
Very good. So next, I'm
I'm dusty.
I'm not.
I'm not hungry.
Very good. Wow, nice job, Tom and Ken. Okay. So again, let's go back to this sentence pattern. So for this one, when we say I'm happy, yes, we use this sentence to show what we feel right now. For example, you are sad. You will say, I'm sad. If you are angry, you will say, I'm angry. I'm angry. If
I'm hungry.
okay. Okay, very good. I'm happy. So next, this one. I'm not sad.
I'm not sad.
Okay, we will use this sentence to show what we don't feel right now. For example, I'm happy.
I'm happy.
Yes, I'm not sad.
I'm not sad.
Okay, very good. So if we are happy, if we are happy right now, we are not sad. So we will say, I'm happy. I'm not sad.
I'm happy. I'm not sad.
Okay, very good.
Happy. I'm not sad.
Okay, nice. But if we are sad right now, we can say, I'm sad. I'm not happy.
I'm sad. I'm not happy.
Okay, very good. So that is how we use this sentence pattern. Okay, so let's check your answer. So can you read all of this? So let's read first, number 1. I'm
I'm happy. I'm not sad.
very good. Number 2.
I'm sad. I'm not happy.
Okay, number 3.
I'm hot. I'm not cold.
Very good. So next.
I'm cold. I'm not hot.
Okay, next.
I'm hungry. I'm not thirsty.
Thirsty. Very good. Next.
I'm dirty. I'm not hungry.
Okay, very good. So nice job. So that is how we use this sentence pattern. Okay. Oh, so now we have here a question, Tom and Ken. So let's read this one. So let's
Are you happy?
Are you happy? So we ask this question to ask someone or about someone's feeling. So for example, you have a friend and you want to know if he or she is happy right now. So we will ask like what teacher is asking you. Are you happy? Yes. And if our answer is yes, we will say yes, I am.
Yes, I am.
Okay, very good. So Tom and Ken, are you sad? Are you sad? Yes or no?
Yes, I know.
Okay, this is a question. Are you sad?
Bạn có buồn không?
No.
Okay, so when we answer no, we will say, no, I'm not.
No, I'm not.
Okay, very good. One more time. Are you hot? Are you hot?
Are you hot?
Yes or no?
No.
What shall we say? Okay. If our answer
No.
Okay, first, if our answer is no, what shall we say? We will say, no, I'm not.
No, I'm not.
Okay, very good.
I'm not.
Okay, for Tom, since your answer is yes, what shall we say? We will say, yes, I am.
Yes, I am.
Okay, so remember, if you are asked, are you happy? Are you sad? So if your answer is yes,
Are
yes.
you happy?
Okay, if your answer is yes, you will say yes, I am. If your answer is no, you will say no, I'm not. Okay?
Yes, I am.
Okay, one more time, let's practice this. Are you happy, Kian and Tom?
Yes!
Only yes?
No!
Only no? What shall we say? We will say yes, I am. No, I'm not.
Yes, I am!
Okay, very good. So we shouldn't answer just yes or no. We will say yes, I am. No, I'm not. Okay? Okay, so Tom and Ken, I think it's already our time. So teacher suggests that for this lesson you practice this question. So if you have this question, are you happy?
Are you happy?
Yes. Practice instead of answering only yes or no. Practice answering yes, I am. No, I'm not. Okay? Okay? Okay.
No!
You will say no, I'm not. Yes, I am. No, I'm not. So practice that one, okay? Okay, so thank you so much for your time today, Tom and Ken. So make sure to practice how you answer. Are you happy? Okay, very good. So make sure to practice, okay? You can practice with your mommy and daddy. So, okay? Okay. Yes, okay. See you again soon, Tom and Ken. And thank you very much for your time today. See you again. Bye bye, bye bye. Goodbye. Goodbye. Okay, make sure to practice because in our next class we will play a game. Okay? Goodbye. 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 You can now sleep. Goodbye. Goodbye.